orphaned dolphin discovered in Gulfport has found a new pod, at least a temporary one. News 25's Tony Miles takes us behind the scenes at the Institute for Marine Mammal Studies in Gulfport and gives us an update on how researchers and veterinarians are nursing the juvenile dolphin back to good health.
What a difference a week and a half makes. This juvenile male dolphin could not even swim on his own when he was rescued and first arrived at the Institute for Marine Mammal Studies in Gulfport. Now this orphaned dolphin frolics, flips, and even flirts with his caretakers here at his temporary home as he is rehabbed.
That's what he's been doing with us, is kind of using us as a scratching post, if you will. He likes to rub on us and to interact with us. Which is good to see because he is a young animal. He does need that interaction, and since he's not with his pod, we kind of need to step in to fill that interaction for him. He's definitely been doing some cartwheels underneath the water and doing the cute things that make us all love these animals.
For the milk?
But it's not all play. There's work to be done, plenty of it, especially when it comes to feeding time, and these researchers and veterinarians literally nurse him back to good health.
He will be gradually shifting off of milk onto fish, and so we're at that process where he's going to be weaning onto fish. But it's so important for him to get the milk because he needs it nutritionally.
Besides nursing, feeding, and a good diet, water samples must be taken every hour on the hour.
So water quality is very important for the health of this animal, both internally and externally. So every hour we do have somebody that is running tests on the water to make sure it's at the correct temperature, and that we have the correct salinity, the correct pH, and then other kind of chemical parameters as well.
It's a 24/7 round-the-clock job for these surrogate parents, but one that apparently comes naturally to them as they nurse this young guy back to good health with the aim of releasing him back into his natural habitat in the Gulf of Mexico. In Gulfport, Tony Miles, News 25.